Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry I'm making a video at night. So it's almost 11:30 now and I have got my Fastag. So I just want to install it right now because right now I'm traveling to my native. So I'm just showing you the installation process. And I hope you have seen my unboxing video, and I have a video which I have made how to apply for a Fastag. So before that, I like to thank everyone. Because of you guys I have reached 28,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support for me, and I need your continuous support. Please do share my video if you think it's useful. And if you're guys watching for the first time, I request you guys to please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. So guys, coming to the package now. So I have already opened it, so there's nothing else inside. You get some brochures for promotions. It's not required. And this is the Fastag which has to be installed to your car. So you can see now. So I'm gonna remove this sticker and stick it over here. So this is where I'm gonna stick this. I'm gonna just remove the sticker and add it over here. This is should be in a center of your windscreen. I mean the main glass. Over here you can see I'm just gonna take this as a center, and I'm gonna stick it over here so it can be scanned easily while passing through the toll. So this is how it has to be sticked. Please make sure if you have a tinted like glass or a cover over here, it should not be on this, it should be over here, so it should be clearly visible. So that is how it has to be installed. Now I'm going to install this and I'm going to show you. You have to just remove this cover, and then you have to just stick it over there. So I'm going to just do that. So guys, now I'm gonna install the Fastag. So you can see it's uh, right below the rear mirror which I am here. So I'm gonna just put it over here. I have just cleaned this, and now I'm gonna remove the Fastag. So here comes the Fastag. So this is how it should be. So I'm gonna stick it over here. So I think this is the center. So you can see guys, now I have added the Fastag over here. So this is how it should be installed, so it can be scanned easily. And I'm gonna show you the outside view. Let me just go out. So here is how it looks, the Fastag from the outside. So when you like move, so this is where they're gonna look and they're gonna scan it. So this was the installation process guys. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And I'm really sorry, like it's almost 11:45 12 now. So I'm just sticking this to my car, so I have to move now to my native. So I've done this, and if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and please do leave your comment in the comment section. And if you're watching for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.